What's up, everybody? Cosmic Bird, break 35-24. We are full. Dice roll. We're going 7 times. Your squad's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 5 and 2 is 7. We went 7 right there. The Braves up top. The Rangers at the bottom. Seven times now to your names. 1, 2. Somebody might have took them. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 times there and 7 right here. Somebody may have just took them. Chad. I'll double check. There's your squads. Let's sort them out. They did all sort. Print it and we'll rip. Again, guys, good luck here. Early Bird Cosmic 35-24. Send out some notifications.
All right, good luck. Do we have any more just like regular sleeves? Thank you.
Again, guys, 34.91 will run next. I'm going to send out a notification. We will rip 34.91 next.
All right, here we go. Good luck.
2020 Prism, I hope so, Craig. It's got 16 left. I'd love to.
Stanton, Castellanos, Harper, Judge, and Betts on the Star Clusters. Crone, Springer, Kyle Tucker. Ohtani on the refractor.
Again, guys, next open breaks 35-25. There's 12 left.
Morel. Bryce Harper. Juan Soto. Christian Walker. And Austin Riley. Anderson. Edwin Diaz. Super Jorge Polanco for the Twins. One of one.
Somebody got the Twins cheap. Kevin Basso. There we go, Kev. Third superfractor we've hit. That's crazy.
Super.
Crazy.
Javier Baez. Lindor. Ramirez. Michael Harris on the extraterrestrial talent. Bellinger. Brett Beatty. Max Meyer. George Kirby to 199 for the Mariners.
Again, guys, 35-25 has 12 left. There you go, Kev.
Contreras. Witt. Yankees star cluster. Lopez. Stephen Kwan. McClanahan. Trout on the extraterrestrial talent. Hoskins. Taylor Ward. Bryce Terang. Carlos Correa. Trevor Story. Darvish. Duran. Carroll on the extraterrestrial talent. Braves star cluster. O'Hop. Hall. Pena on the scope. Taglia on the refractor rook. Meneses. Schwarber. Taglia. Yoshida. Dylan Cease. LeMahieu. So we got something back here. We have a Stella Nova. Michael Harris. One per case. Case hit on the Michael Harris
Phillip
for the
Patrick.
Braves. Nice hit there, Phillip. Manoah. Reynolds. Simeon behind the Reynolds. Launched into orbit on the Paul Goldschmidt. Scherzer. Liberatore. Cavalli. Moreno. And Jimenez. Tommy Henry. Will Benson. Guerrero and Bichette on the star clusters. And Bello on the rook. Freeman. Gallen. Martinez. McKenzie. Raleigh. Alvarez. Betts. Buxton on the extraterrestrial talent. Willie Adames. Bueller. Marsh. Looks like we got a Red Sox star cluster. Murphy. Brown. Byron Buxton. Got an Alonso launched into orbit for the Mets. And a Manny Machado. Quick recap here. That was a great box.
Stuff's pretty loaded.
Ohtani on the refractor. George Kirby to 199 for the Mariners. Jorge Polanco on the 1-of-1 superfractor for the Twins. And Michael Harris case hit on the Stella Nova.
Again, guys, thanks for the break. That's the fifth.